In a sun-kissed garden, Zara, 9, and Ali, 7, tend to plants amidst a chorus of chirping birds. Alice's playful splash echoes through the garden. Zara, I love playing with water. But where does all this water come from? Zara explains. From rivers, silly. Like the Indus River. A cloud of worry crosses Alice's face. What if someone takes all the river water? Will we have none left? Zara ponders, then decides. That's a good question. Let's ask Grandpa. Grandpa sits peacefully beneath the tree, absorbed in his book. Zara and Ali rush toward Grandpa, their faces alight with anticipation. Grandpa, tell us a story about rivers and water. Grandpa looks up, a twinkle in his eye, replying, then you must hear about the Indus Waters Treaty of 1960, a very important story between Pakistan and India. Ali tilts his head, curiosity sparkling in his eyes. A treaty? What's that? Is it like a treasure map? Grandpa smiles gently, beginning to explain. No, a treaty is an agreement. Let me explain. A magical sparkle dances in the air, the beginning of something extraordinary. River Ravi materializes, offering help. Did someone say Indus River? I'm here to help. Zara, eyes wide with wonder, exclaims, Wow, who are you, Ravi? I witnessed the 1960 water deal. Ali pauses by River Ravi, the sunlight filtering through the leaves. Wait, they shared water like we share juice? Ali asks, surprised. River Ravi explains. Exactly. The World Bank helped them agree. India got the eastern rivers, Ravi, Bees, and Sutlej. River Ravi continues. Pakistan got the western rivers, Indus, Jhelum, and Chenab. That sounds fair, Zara exclaims, nodding in agreement. An animated map comes to life, showing the Indus River system. River Ravi explains, according to the treaty, India gets the eastern rivers, and Pakistan gets the western rivers. River Ravi clarifies, these rivers flow from India into Pakistan. To avoid fights, both countries made rules. India can use some water, but most of it flows to Pakistan. A vibrant river system snakes across the animated map, a symbol of life and contention. Animated avatars gather around a virtual table, their gestures weaving a story of negotiation and compromise. Ali asks, what if someone breaks the rules? River Ravi responds. Then they talk through the Indus Commission, a team of experts from both sides. The Indus Commission stands tall, a symbol of hope amidst potential conflict. Grandpa sits beneath the shade of a large tree, sunlight dancing through the leaves. Zara's eyes widen, she exclaims. So water is not just fun, it's serious too. Grandpa nods, his voice filled with wisdom. Yes, my dear, water is life. He continues. And peace is precious. The Indus Treaty has helped avoid big fights, even during hard times. Sunlight drenches the garden, painting the vibrant flowers as Ali and Zara stand together, resolve etched on their faces. Ali declares with newfound conviction, I'll never waste water again. Zara echoes her brother's vow, her voice ringing with passion. Me neither. Let's be water heroes. Grandpa watches, his loving smile, a silent testament to their newfound understanding. Bathed in golden sunlight, Zara stands in the garden, her gaze lifted towards Grandpa. Grandpa smiles gently, surrounded by blooming flowers and the gentle hum of buzzing bees. Zara asks, her voice carrying on the breeze. So, Grandpa, does this mean India and Pakistan always agree about the water? Grandpa responds with wisdom. Well, not always. There are still discussions and sometimes disagreements, but the treaty provides a way to talk and find solutions. Bathed in sunlight, Ali stands near a blooming rose bush, her curiosity piqued. Ali asks, what kind of solutions? Grandpa explains. Sometimes they build dams or canals together to manage the water better. Other times, they share information about how much water each country is using. Sunlight dances through the leaves, casting shadows as River Ravi sits in the garden, deep in thought. And sometimes, the World Bank helps them again if there are big problems that they can't solve themselves. River Ravi explains. Zara responds, so it's like they have a grown-up helper to make sure they share nicely. Sunlight filters through the leaves, painting the garden in shifting patterns of light and shadow as Grandpa stands in the midst of the lush greenery. With a gentle cadence, Grandpa stresses the importance of conservation. Exactly. And it's important for all of us to remember that water is precious. His expression turns serious, urging responsibility with each word. We need to use it wisely and not waste it, so everyone has enough. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting a golden glow on Zara and Ali as they stand in the garden. Zara declares, I'm going to tell all my friends at school about the Indus Waters Treaty and how important it is to share water. Ali responds enthusiastically, me too. And I'm going to make sure everyone in our family turns off the tap when they brush their teeth. Sunlight bathes the garden. Grandpa beams, his eyes crinkling with joy. Grandpa speaks, his voice filled with hope. That's wonderful. If everyone does their part to save water and be respectful of each other, we can all be water heroes. Bathed in sunlight, River Ravi stands among the lush greenery, a gentle smile lighting up his face as he raises a hand in farewell. Remember, water is life, and sharing is caring. Keep learning and protecting our rivers. A faint shimmer envelops him as he prepares to depart, leaving behind only the echo of his words. Zara and Ali lock eyes, their faces reflecting a shared and unbreakable resolve. Renewed, they turn back to the garden, their hands working in harmony to nourish the plants with life-giving water. Uplifting music fills the air as the scene fades, their simple act resonating with a profound respect for shared resources.